Hello, health enthusiasts and keto aficionados. Welcome back. We are here to help you become the best version of yourself. Today, we're diving into the keto diet, clean keto versus dirty keto. If you're navigating the keto sphere or just curious about these contrasting approaches, you're in the right place. But before we unravel the secrets, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into the world of nutrition. Now let the keto battle begin. Clean keto, the epitome of health-conscious ketosis. It's not just a diet, it's a lifestyle. Imagine a plate full of nutrient-dense whole foods. We're talking lean proteins, heart-healthy fats, and a spectrum of colorful non-starchy vegetables. Clean keto isn't about deprivation. It's about nourishing your body with premium fuel. It's the gold standard that promises to elevate not just your ketone levels, but your overall well-being. Now, let's talk about the rebel in the keto family, Dirty Keto. It's the laid-back cousin that says, hit those macros and you're good to go. No fuss, no frills. Bunless burgers, processed cheese, and low-carb snacks are the name of the game. But does this relaxed approach come at a cost? Can you truly have your keto cake and eat it too? The core of the keto debate lies in the macros. Clean keto and dirty keto dance to the same tune. Low carbs, moderate protein, and high fats. But, and here's the twist, clean keto insists on meeting those macros through nutrient-dense sources, while dirty keto opens the door to a world of processed foods. It's time for a pros and cons showdown. Clean keto, with its emphasis on quality, delivers a nutritional punch that can leave you feeling energized and satisfied. But, and there's always a but, it demands planning and preparation. Dirty keto, on the flip side, is the champion of convenience, quick wins, and flexibility. However, it might not be all sunshine and rainbows in the nutrient department. Let's talk real talk. Sustainability. Clean keto, with its whole food approach, demands a bit more effort in the kitchen, but many find it sustainable for the long haul. Dirty keto, on the other hand, is convenient, but might be more challenging to maintain, potentially leading to nutrient deficiencies. Can you see yourself rocking the keto lifestyle for the long run? Whether you're a clean keto purist, a dirty keto maverick, finding your keto sweet spot is about understanding your body, preferences, and lifestyle. It's about experimenting, listening to your body, and maybe finding a balance that merges the best of both worlds. And there you have it, the clean keto versus dirty keto showdown. I hope this helps you understand the difference. Subscribe and get healthy.